నన్నెప్పుడు మరువకుమన్నా కండోము బుగ్గను రన్నా నేను మీకవసరమన్నా
నా పేరే నిరోధురన్నా నన్నెప్పుడు మరువకుమన్నా కండోము బుగ్గను రన్నా నేను మీకవసరమన్నా
రంగు సువాసనతోటి తయారు చేసిన రన్నా
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 లూబ్రికెంట్ పోసి నన్ను సీలేమో వేసిన రన్నా
నా పేరే నిరోధురన్నా నన్నెప్పుడు మరువకుమన్నా కండోము బుగ్గను రన్నా నేను మీకవసరమన్నా
రకరకాల పేర్లను కలిగి రంగులతో ఉన్నాను రక్షణ కవచంబు నేనై మిమ్ముల రక్షిస్తాను ఏ బ్రాండు కావాలన్నా ఎక్కడైనా దొరుకుతానన్నా
ఏ బ్రాండు కావాలన్నా ఎక్కడైనా దొరుకుతానన్నా
మందుల షాపుకు వెళ్ళన్నా మంచిగా నన్నడుగుమురన్నా
మందుల షాపుకు వెళ్ళన్నా మంచిగా నన్నడుగుమురన్నా
మైత్రి సెంటర్సుల్లో నా దుకాణాల్లో దొరుకుతానన్నా
Hello. Can you hear me right now? I hope. Yeah. Everything is okay. भाई थोड़ा पहले बता देना चाहिए था ना. Aura minus हो गया बेंच. Aura minus. Okay, everything is okay. Okay, so today I have no idea what we're gonna do, what we're gonna build. I'm just on the stream. I don't know what I'm really gonna do. So I have some components right here like this. What is this? I have never used this. I have this thing in my box since 2021. Lithium polymer battery voltage tester, low voltage buzzer alarm. So I'm gonna explore some unused components like this one. I have these sensors and we will build something, maybe. I'm just on the stream. I don't want to like lose my track. I just got back to streaming and content creation. So okay, I know this thing. This is a temperature sensor, wireless temperature sensor. I know about this, but I'm not sure what is this. You guys have any idea? Let me show you. Why my camera is not focusing on this thing? Okay, this is something I have never used, but I have this in my okay. This thing is RGB gesture, name APDS9960. Okay, let's try searching this thing. I never used this before. Let me see. Okay, I'll share screen with you guys. Damn, 6 viewers. That's more than enough. Okay. We were talking about this sensor called APDS 9960 9960. Okay, so infrared gesture sensor motion direction recognition module. Okay, I think I have this. Can you make community on Insta, Discord, WhatsApp? Okay, we talked about, we have discussed about this, and many people are ready to join the community. So yes, I am also thinking the same. I have been thinking like that, like I need some like-minded people to share and discuss, to learn from all of you. So yes, we will make tonight. Thanks. Just make sure you remind me about this. But on which platform? I think we should start with Telegram. Then we should start with Telegram. Then we will ship to Discord and all. What do you guys think? I will create simple Telegram channel, or we can just create a group on Instagram. What do you think? Either we can start with Telegram or Instagram, and we will then ship to Discord and all that, WhatsApp and whatever. So I think Discord is the best to start. Okay, I will create both. I will create a Telegram channel and Discord server, and I will share link in tomorrow's stream. And some of you guys know me, like we are in contact on Instagram, WeChat, so I will share links and all. Okay, so this is GY9960 3.3 APDS infrared. Okay, I have this thing in my box since 2021, as I said, but I have never used this. So I will see if it's working or not, how to use this. I don't know if this thing is still working. I think I have watched this video. Bro, I'm doing free promotion. Okay. Sensor. Okay, so basically it detects red, green, blue. Basically it detects RGB and detects gesture. Okay, so basically it works like MPU 6050 or any other sensor which has what we call that I2C communication, SPI, which works with I2C protocol. Let's get a code, source code. Where is source code? Okay, here we have this code, and you guys have any idea about this sensor? I have never used this before, so help me out with this. Okay, so I think I need this library. I have downloaded this library already. Let's check the pin out. This has ground, VCC, SDA, SCL. That's it. Serial print up, down. Okay, let's try connecting this thing and we'll upload the code and let's check if it's working or not. So I'm going to use Arduino Uno and some jumper wires. Just give me a second. This is our cable USB. Okay, I got this my old Arduino and we'll connect the sensor. Now we need some jumper wires, male to female. I don't think I have enough male to female jumper wires right now. Okay, we got one. This is two. We need at least five of these jumper wires. Okay, and three. I have a whole stack of jumper wires. It's so hard to find the right one. Okay, finally, no. By the way, guys, are you working on any project or something like that? Let me know. Okay, to be honest, I don't have enough male to female pins, so I'll just use three male to male, and with that, three male to female, and we will somehow make connections. This is our SCL and SDA. This is our VCC. 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 This is ground. This blue one is ground. SCL. SD and SCL. Okay. Connecting VCC to 5 volt. Then this is our ground. And now SCL SDA. Okay, so as usual, I'm confused between SCL and SDA. Let me check first which one is SCL. And I build a lot of projects with all like such projects, but still I'm confused between SCL and SDA of Arduino Uno. Okay, SDA is A4. SDA is A4. I know. Hello, Tony Stark. Hello, Ayush. How are you? Welcome back to stream. It's good to see you guys again. So today, let me tell you what we're going to do today. Today we are going to do nothing. I have no idea. I just found this sensor somewhere in my room and I'm thinking to test this. I have never used this sensor. So we will just have fun today. That's what my title is. Let me see what's my title. today's late night no plan live. Okay, actually I scheduled this stream today when I was in college. I was in lecture. I thought I should stream today. Okay, so I have this code and I'm uploading and we will see how it works. By the way, I'm following how to mechatronics tutorial. Wait. I have some alt, yes. I think it's working, or say alt D. Okay, I think you guys can see this. Okay, I'm following this tutorial and we'll upload the code first. Sketch uses something is wrong here. Arduino Nano. Okay, I forgot to select board. Arduino. Oh no. Wait a minute, guys. My mom is messaging me. Okay, so I forgot to call my parents today, so my mom just messaged me if I had dinner or not. Initialization complete, gesture is now running. None. Okay. How this thing works? Okay, guys. So this thing is working and I don't know how it works. I am thinking to build hand plasma gun. That's really cool. That's really cool. Like plasma gun. How you gonna make it? Like explain me. I don't know about that. I don't know much. Okay. Let me show you. Okay, so the thing is I have set some hotkeys here for my OBS and I don't know how it works really. I'm using the hotkeys still. Okay, I'm getting none here. I don't know how it really works. There are some things with hand gestures, I guess. Lockers up. Okay, let's see the tutorial first. Okay, okay, I got it. I think I got it. Let's see. Bro, something went wrong here again because let's try clearing this serial monitor. Okay, how it works? Bro, I'm learning coding and sometimes take help. Chat GPT when I stuck. Is it okay? It's okay, but make sure you learn the basics and don't use chat GPT too much because it will, I feel like it will, I understand, I try to understand logic too, but still bit, bro, same happens with me. I do coding myself, but still I sometimes no, not really, sometimes I use chat gpt a lot and I feel guilty too, but someone who works on patent and all those things, he's alumni from our college and I met him some months back and he said that if you are using AI to get your work done like coding and all, and if you know the basics and all, it's good that you are using AI. So I don't know if he's really right or not, but he said it's okay to use AI to improve your productivity or all, like to get your work done. So I feel like that you can take help, but still, we should understand what we are doing, like what really we want and what the code is really about. That's what I feel. And yeah, I also use ChatGPT a lot, but again, you should know the basics. And I think you can't really use AI for anything. Like without knowing the concepts and basics, you can't use AI. Like you can't just say ki, I want a Arduino based humanoid robot, write code, and ChatGPT will give you code, but it's not gonna work until and unless you know the basics. Like ChatGPT is giving some like uh some connections in code, and you are doing your own connections, so there will be no proper, nah, it's not gonna work. So yes, you should know the basics, and depends how you use that. Okay, so I'm here trying this sensor, I'm testing this sensor, and all I'm getting is none. I don't know why. I think you guys can see the serial monitor. Let me show you what's going on here. I think I should press Alt D. Jesus. Or okay. Hello Shraddha Desai, how are you? Uh check this out. This is our sensor. Mm, and as per the tutorial, I have to do like this. But I'm trying and I'm not getting that uh output I'm supposed to get. Something went wrong during gesture sensor initialization. Maybe it's because of my pin connections. Again, something went wrong. Small palm mounted plasma gun inspired by Iron Man. Mm, repulsor design. It aims to generate visible electric arc or plasma effect using high voltage components. Maybe you're gonna use super capacitors or something like that. Am I right? Let me show you. I have something with plasma. Leave this. I have. As someone challenged me, and before that, I was planning to build a flamethrower. What's going on, dude? Hello, Megamind Creation. How are you? Nothing's going on. We are just here chatting and building something. I don't know what to build today. There was no plan of this stream. I just showed up thinking we'll do something. Okay, let me show you what I have here. Check this out. You guys know about this? This is a plasma lighter. It generates plasma. That's what they say. And I have attached this little lighter here, closed in a wearable glow wrist device to do it safely, bro. Safely enclosed in a wearable glow wrist device. That goal is to simulate. Okay, I got it. So you are okay. I have seen something like that. You know Jake Laser, J Laser? किती वाजता झोपणार? Not sure. Maybe 1 a.m. Let's snake gone on LED matrix. That will be fun to watch. Right now I don't have a LED matrix, but I have OLED displays, SSD 1306. I have this. Then I have some normal 16:2 liquid crystal displays. Okay, I have this plasma lighter, and I don't think I have used this while. Vortex cannon. What's vortex cannon? Yeah, vortex cannon. It's like that. I think you should watch Jake Laser's video. Go with OLED. Okay, we'll build something. Snake gone on LED matrix. To make project that already exists, like from YouTube. Yeah, bro, it's not that deep. Like you can build whatever you want. It's not necessary to build. If just think this, if I was building something new, like new, first in the world, every day on the stream, then I would have been a like really good scientist or something like that with a lot of patents and all those things. It's not like that. You can build whatever you want. All these things are open source, so you can like this all these IoT stuff, microcontrollers, Arduino and all these things are open source. It's not like you should build something new every day. You can just learn, you can just copy others projects. It's not necessary. Okay, so this is our plasma lighter and we will do something. Okay, I will use a lithium ion battery with this. चॅनेल मोनेटाईज झालं का नाही? I will drop my QR code. By the way, Ayush, what project are you working now? Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram and we will talk there. Let's see if it works. I think I should solder this thing. Okay. Let me first check the voltage or if it's working or not. I think these batteries are not working. Don't ever use your batteries with lithium ion batteries with 775 DC motor. I have done that mistake. I used around 4 to 5 batteries in series with 775 DC motor, and me and my roommate we tried to build a what we call that drill machine, and it went horribly wrong. We burnt all our batteries. Hello bro, I don't know why all my family members are watching all of a sudden. Okay, both batteries are fine, but still I don't know why we are not getting any required voltage. At least like 7 volts. Okay, now we are good to go. I'm just starting recently. Right now I'm learning basics LED blinking and trying different things with LED. Okay, if you are using if you are at this level, then you better not use ChatGPT. That's what I feel. If you are working on something complex, then you can cup hitting caster with hitting T when it gets hot. Okay, Tony Stark, I got you. I now I know what you are really talking about. You are talking about what we call that partial or that thing. That's a heater, and it works like it transfer the heat from one side to the other side, and one side gets really cold and the other side gets really hot. What we are making, I don't know. We are just playing with components today. I'm not sure. Okay, why is everything wait here? We are just building something. It's on you what we gonna build. You guys gonna decide. Okay, check this out. I hope you guys can see this. Can you see the arc? Working on a Chrome web extension that blocks malicious fake websites. That's cool. And put it as a sell it. Peltium module. Yes. I have an idea to make a trading indicator using ESP OLED display, LED and buzzer on which we can track what's going on in the market and indicate us. I am smelling something. Okay, let me show you what this thing can do. Market indicate on major move. Can you work on its code? Yes, we can, but for that I need to know some basics about trading and all. I need to track the chats. Sorry, not chats, charts. So you need some Python library to track the charts and all in real time, and once you hit a certain threshold you set in your Python code, then it will start buzzing, something like that. I don't think I can do all of this by myself, but I know some people, they can help me out with this, like CSE guys. I'm a hardware guy. You are talking about Peltium module. Wait, what I was searching for? I was searching for my screwdriver. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, Shweta Desai, I got you. I recently made a finger gesture LED on-off project using Python, OpenCV, and Arduino Uno. I got the code from ChatGPT just out of curiosity, but now I feel I should first learn the basic. Yeah, that's what I did. I had no guidance, so I don't. I'm learning the basics now. I don't know enough basics. I was just like GitHub guy. I used to copy codes from here and there, and I knew the logic. I knew some basics, so I was just using some codes. I was integrating them together as per my need, and that's how I built all my projects. Can upload. I want some investors so I can upload it on Chrome. Uh, yes, I can help you out if my chat pays for it. Oh, not really. We'll discuss about it. I just gave my roommate some money. Okay, this thing is not working. I will just solder this. So you want to deploy your Chrome extension. So you need something like that, what we call that domain and server and database, all those things. There are domains from I think 160 something like that. My friend recently bought a domain for 160 rupees or something. Okay, here is our legendary soldering stand, which I stole from my kitchen. Mm, Ayush, you are right that like I got the code from ChatGPT. Same. I have worked on multiple OpenCV based projects, but I started learning like real OpenCV recently, like really recently. But I have worked on multiple OpenCV based projects. Start with, if you really want to do something in this field, you better start with what is resistor and what is transistor. Like from that level, you better start this. That's what my professor said. I still don't have that brass thing to clean up my soldering iron. Okay, I have a crazy idea. I am thinking to build a educational robot using thinker module, offline AI thinker module called AI thinker VC02. I think I have shown this on my one of my streams, and it is offline voice recognition module, and you don't need to code or something like that. You don't need to code. You don't need any extension. You don't need any external mic or speaker, and it costs very low, like it costs around 700 rupees. So I'm thinking to integrate that with Ram Ram Bhava. Hello Ram Ram Dolly Chai Wala. After long time. Same here, bro. Yes. So I'm thinking of learning everything from scratch. It's not too late. Python pandas also. Uh, okay. I know little bit about, very little about panda. Panda is a library used in Python. I don't know what they really do. It was in my syllabus. Hello Naveen. I have a minor in data science, so I know very little. Right now I'm working with Python, OpenCV, then what we call that, we track mouse using that library. मी रोज पाठवतोय, तू स्ट्रीम का करत नव्हतास? अरे जरा बिझी होतो, इकडे तिकडे घरी गेलेलो, त्यामुळे जरा बिझी होतो, म्हणजे स्ट्रीम नाही करू शकलो. आर यू अ मेकॅनिकल स्टुडंट? Okay, so I'm not mechanical. I'm in electronics and telecommunication engineering branch, and but my both of my roommates are in mechanical, so that sticker is there, not mine. काय आणला घरून खाय प्यायचं चकल्या आणि काय आणले करंजा. Which college are you from? I am from DY Patil College of Engineering from Kolhapur, Maharashtra. मराठीत बोलायचं. Make a RC plane, bro. Yes, bro. I also want to make a RC plane. I am learning about it. We have club, but it's not really that much active. We have a club called Garuda Club in our college. Actually, they are active, but I feel like it's academic schedule's fault that those guys don't get enough time. Twitchला चालू या. Yes, I will do. I will try. उद्या जाणार आहेस का कॉलेजला? Yes, I'm gonna attend college every day. Maybe not all lectures, but I have to attend all lecture. But I have to show up to the college because my dad paid for it, bro. Samarth. Okay, this is our plasma lighter, and we will see what we can burn with this or how powerful it is. I'll put my soldering iron. What's cooking in the lab today? Not sure. We are just having fun here. This wasn't planned stream, so I have no idea what I'm going to do today. Just checking up some old components. Okay, so this is our plasma lighter, and let's see how it goes. Okay, so the plan was to build a mobile controlled Wi-Fi controlled robot equipped with this plasma lighter and a normal lighter like this, and I had a mechanism. I used a servo motor to push the gas out of this lighter, and we will use this lighter to ignite that gas. And when you where is that lighter? You can increase its flame just by moving this, just by rotating this white wheel, and it goes to 1 or 2 feet, but it runs out so fast, but still it's fun. So this is our plasma. Okay, to be honest, it gets really hot when you hold these wires. Let's try. But it's not a big thing because most of us want to open the light. Hello, I think it's working now. Let me put on my glasses. I think plasma maybe. Let me put on my glasses. What is T is equal to RC, bro? I don't know. I'm not that good at academics or theories. I don't know anything. But what went wrong with my mic though? Okay, so the plan was to ignite this lighter using this plasma, and I used the ESP8266 Arduino as your primary micro. Seeing some other microcontrollers, I have this ESP8266. I use this very often. I use Arduino Nano. Then I have ESP32. Then this is our STM32 blue pill. So I have some Raspberry Pi Pico. Okay, I have never used Pico, to be honest. Basically, what I do is I just play with all these IoT stuff. So yeah, and I have Raspberry Pi. I'm still learning about Raspberry Pi. The reason of all these streams is that I'm learning more with all with everyday stream. Like before coming to stream, I'm exploring some new things which I stopped recently. Not really recently, when I was in 11th 12th, I went off the track. So yeah, I'm learning. तुझ्या फोनवर आवाज हो ते येत होता, म्यूट केला. Okay guys, do you have any idea what we're gonna do? Okay, what we're gonna do is, I feel like I have this bot. This is robot chassis. What we're gonna do is, we will just use this receiver, and we will quickly build a robot, RC controlled, like remote controlled car, and we will add this plasma here. I have some relays. We will add this plasma, one servo motor. We will build what we call that turret, turret or turret. Let me check the word first, if it's turret or turret. Okay, it's turret. So we will build a turret using Arduino. We will control it using our RC controller. We will add this plasma lighter, and we will also add this normal lighter, and let's see if we can build a fully functional flamethrower robot. Let's see. Okay, so let's get started. For this, I'll just use this NRF module. I have this setup already ready. And if you want, you can create 3D models in CAD software. You can do it using 3D printers. That way you can simulate your robot projects. You can calculate and solve dynamics, real world dynamics. Yes, I'm learning Fusion 360. Guys, I have a genuine question. What do you guys think? Fusion 360 is good or SolidWorks is good? Please let me know, because I'm very new to this, and my roommates use they are in mechanical, and they use SolidWorks. But some people suggested me they said learn Fusion 360. So please tell me, what should I do? Should I go with SolidWorks or Fusion 360? And I know CAD, but not that much. We can't really use these. So are used in RoboWars. Yeah. And if you guys know, SolidWorks is more widely used. But personally, and you can collaborate easily with your colleagues. More library than Fusion. Okay, tell me which is the easiest one. And we need 2 servo motors. I have this servo box right here. Guys, should we use MG995 or SG90? This is SG90 and this is MG995. I feel like MG995 is better, but for that we need a separate power supply, so it will increase our work. So I'll just go with SG90. Easiest. You don't have to download any software. It is available on the okay. Also, I'm thinking to buy a 3D printer because I want to learn 3D printing, and I want to build some products I have in my mind. So you can just 3D printer is cool, bro. You can just design your own thing, and you have this 3D printer thing, and magically it works. It just you just put your design in memory card, and you start that 3D printer, and you wake up and you see that product. To make decision table before using these pros and cons. Okay, let's try this. Where is ChatGPT? By the way, Tanishk Manuja, bro, sir, bhaiya, I have seen your LinkedIn and you are really cool guy. You work with ESP32. That's what I saw on LinkedIn. I'm beginner at 3D printing, designing. Where is better for me? I have zero knowledge. Around, yes, I was thinking to get Anycubic Cobra or Ender Creality Ender 3, Tinkercad, Fusion 360. Okay, then we have Blender. Bro, ChatGPT. Mm. Fusion or SolidWorks. So should I buy a 3D printer around 20k? Fusion 360 free for students. Use W for broke engineers. Okay, cloud based. You can work on any PC. Okay, great for mechanical design, assembly, simulation, scam, 3D printing, and all-in-one tool. Easier learning curve to SolidWorks modern. Yeah, better for makers, hobby startups. Okay, so this is for me, I guess. Let's see SolidWorks. Expensive as fuck. Okay, unless your no, our college doesn't give us license, but they give a pen drive with files. Industry standards in big companies. If you are targeting core mechanical, okay. Opinion is fellow engineer students. If you are focusing on robotics, maker projects, freelancing, YouTube projects, personal innovations, Fusion 360 is better. It's faster, free. Okay. If your goal is joining automotive mechanical design company, SolidWorks is must in your skill, but you can learn it later once you have. Okay. Cool. It's expensive, but think like college. I can assure you will learn more with a 3D printer. Okay, so they use SolidWorks in industry. That's why they teach SolidWorks in our college. They use SolidWorks in college, but some people suggested me that Fusion 360 is better if you want to do something further in 3D printing. So I don't really know. I have Fusion here and I know very little about this. Also, guys, I have Hogwarts Legacy. Anyone played this game? Please tell me something about walkthrough. Try Fusion 360 software. I think I should go with Fusion 360. I know basics of Fusion. Bro, the thing is consistency. Consistency is the key of success, which I lost long ago. That's why I'm not successful enough. Okay, I have Fusion. I will try Fusion first for some days. Then I will ask you guys again. I will share my progress in YouTube Shorts, and I want you guys to guide me with that. And also for PCB designing, tell me which one is better for PCB designing. Right now I have EasyDay and Protest. Our professors told us to use Protest, but I don't feel Protest, so I go with EasyDay. I'm learning ANSYS. Same, I have Fusion and planning to learn, but I'm confused learning ANSYS. Help out my bro Samarth. I have EasyDay, so make sure you tell me which one is better. EasyDay. Let's ask ChatGPT. Proteus, EasyEDA, Altium, KiCad. I think that's enough. EasyDay. Yeah, EasyDay is super beginner friendly. Yes. Yes. Direct integration with JLC PCB. Yeah. Okay. EasyDay is cool. I know that already. Simulation schematic. Okay. But there are some problems with Proteus. You don't find suitable components, or say if you want a 10k ohm resistor and you have 1k resistor and you change value to 10k for your schematic, and something happens, bro, then the auto routing doesn't work. So there are a lot of problems I have faced, like all my classmates and all. We had a project where we had to design a schematic and PCB, and we had to print that PCB. So we faced a lot of problems with Proteus. KiCad, completely open source and free forever, professional grade. Okay. And then Altium. Okay, now look at me. I'm a beginner, I'm a hobbyist. I use all these things like Arduino and all these components, like very random components which are available on these electronics websites. So I want all these components in my PCB designing software and libraries and all those things. Used KiCad once, also tutorial on YT are good for these community packages. Is it free? KiCad open. Okay, KiCad is free. So so can I use all these components? Can I get all libraries and components here in KiCad? Like if I want L298N motor driver in KiCad, I want ESP, I want some MPU 6050 or any sensor which is available on websites, any type of sensor. So I want some sensors and all those things which I couldn't get in this Proteus. Easy, it is better than Proteus. What are you doing today? Okay, everyone is asking me what I am doing today. Bro, I have no idea. I'm just here, I'm just chatting and thinking to build a robot. Not really robot, a flamethrower like thing. Not fine really. Okay, so I have to download modules, right? I can download, but I faced a lot of problems with Proteus. Then I switched to EasyD. EasyD is better, bro. Also, this thing, integration with JLC PCB. I met a guy who designed his whole bot, a RoboSoccer and RoboWar bot, and it was fully PCB based. Like there was no wire or anything. There was just wires for motors. That's it. And he added what we call that. I forgot the motor drivers, bro. The motor drivers we use. So he integrated that too in PCBs, and he did all that crazy PCB work in easy day. He ordered those PCBs from JLC PCB. Most are available on GitHub. If not, creating new component took me 30 minutes after watching. Okay, so you can create new components also. That's cool. Okay, so I'll use Fusion 360 to study tomorrow. All the best. Everybody say all the best to Tirthesh RC. He's really good at all these. He's a hobbyist. He also has 3D printer and all that things, and he works really hard with his craft. And he also preparing for tomorrow's exam. So make sure you say all the best, Tirthesh. Okay, so for 3D printing, I'll use I'll use Fusion 360, and for PCB designing, I'll go with KiCad and EasyD. Okay, learning curve is steeper than EasyD, easier than Altium. Okay, I feel like KiCad and Fusion 360 can be a good combo. Let's see. Okay, that's enough. Thank you guys for helping me out with this. Now let's get back to a robot. Not really robot. Name this thing. I don't know. Okay, so what we're gonna do is I'll just use this thing with this thing, and we will control with this RC controller. We will add this plasma lighter. We will use a relay and we'll create a turret using two servo motors. We will control servo motors using this joystick. We will control motion with this, movements with this, and that's it. And when you press this, you see the flames. That's it. Hmm. I have no idea if it's gonna work or not, but let's give a try. Also, I have a idea. Okay, I forgot to tell you guys that I found a Python script where where that script can read my chats, like live YouTube chats. And I'm thinking to create a bot, like a semi-humanoid, which can speak and all, like interactive robot, not really AI or something like that. Don't confuse it with AI. And you guys gonna control that robot from live using live chats. Like I'll give some keywords and you guys gonna control. So I'm thinking to stream that for a long time, like a 6-7 hour stream, or say a 24-hour stream, something like that. And I'm planning to create that a big robot, or I want to build something crazy, and I want you guys to control that robot. I don't know its outcome or something like that, but I found it funny. Not really funny, it's a fun project. So I'm planning to okay, I'll give you a brief. I'm planning to create a build a bot using ESP32, and I will connect that ESP32 wirelessly to my laptop with totally chaotic, yeah. And I have this script, I have tested this already. I can control lights and LEDs and all. I can blink using chat. So I have this script, I will use that script. I will just paste my live streams link, and I'll put place that bot somewhere here in back. And you guys, now I'll just sit next to the bot, and you guys will have the control, like whether you have to move it forward, backward, or you want that robot to do something, like say something. I'll add some, I'll make a list of all the functions or features we gonna add in that robot, and I will post it on my Instagram and community or everywhere on my social media. And I will announce that stream, and you guys can control that robot. I just want to see how it goes. I'll share that in my college group, like our class group. So I feel like it's gonna be fun, like you said, chaotic. Also, I was building a stream deck, but I had no ESP32 with HID support. But it will work. But still, HID support is better. Also, I have never built any, what do you call that, uh, self-balancing robot. I have worked with MPU 6050 on multiple projects, but still I never built what we call that, सेल्फ बैलेंसिंग रोबोट. भूलने की आदत लग गई है मुझे. Okay, so today is Wednesday. I will do that stream this Sunday. Yeah, Sunday or Saturday. I feel like Saturday is better. We'll do that stream on this Saturday. Or should I do in next week? Let's see. Either this Saturday or next Saturday. Also, I have a crazy idea using API of Gemini. I'm working on that. I'm not that good at coding. Chat option is better. Yeah, so I was searching for ESP32 with HID, and there wasn't any ESP32 with HID on any of the websites I use. Like I I searched on RoboCraze, Takey SMS, Quartz components. days stream challenge. I feel like I should do a 30 days stream challenge. Again, bro, the problem is same. Like my parents call me visitors, so I can't say no, and I can't stream from my home due to network issues and all. Doesn't have HID. Actually, I searched for it and I found out that ESP32 S2 and S3 model, it has HID support, and some Arduino, I guess it was Arduino Micro or Pro Mini. I searched for it and I went like that. Okay, so 30 days stream challenge. Again, the same problem, like you have to complete your assignments. You have to show up every day at college. 75% is necessary. So I will try for sure though. First I'll try a 1 week stream challenge. It's not really about challenge, it's about what I learn. Like I'm learning so many things just for stream. Pro, Micro and RPI Pico. Okay, I'll buy some Raspberry Pi Picos. Hello Arduino projects, how are you? It's good to see you back here. So before coming to stream, I learn a lot of things. So it's helping me out that I'm learning new things just to stream here. Like I wasn't aware about HID support and all those things, but I had this idea about building own stream deck. So I searched about it and I found out about HID. So yeah, I'm learning. Also, in one of my streams, I have shown that robotic animations, robotic eyes on SSD 1306. So I have built my own robotic eyes with eyebrows and nose, mouth, and it looks cool. Not really that cute. It looks like a grown man, but still it's cool. I will use that in my robot, or say I will use that in some different robot. Also, I'm working on a what we call that robot. Out of ideas, can you give idea for new projects? What components you have right now? Bro, just take some components and play with it. That's it. You don't need to do some crazy things. Okay. This wiring is really fucked up. I need to do something. Let me first check. Just basic sensors. Bro, mention the name. What sensors you have? You can just buy one ESP8266 or 32 and you can integrate IoT in every project. And that's how you win. Okay, if you are in school or if you are in first year of engineering and if all your classmates are noob, they don't really know about all these things, just use ESP and you win every competition. Like ESP or anything with IoT, and just add ESP, use ThinkSpeak or Blink or use Firebase based your own what you call that server and all that stuff, and just integrate IoT in your project's title, that internet control this, internet control that, internet control robot. It sounds cool, like you are controlling a robot using internet from anywhere in the world, and you present it like that and you win. That's what I did in my first year. I still do that. Also, it depends on your professors, but it's good. Okay, these motors are working. Okay, cool. Competition cheat code, bro, for real. Like every time when it comes to like build project for 10 marks, for 25 marks, all I do is just use this thing, ESP. Okay, You can build a simple laser security alarm using a BC547, LDR, laser diode, a buzzer. That's it. What I did is I added ESP8266. I got this for 180 rupees. Cool. That's it. Now what is this? IoT based or something like that. In IoT integrated laser security system. And when it detects some person here or intruder, then what, you just get a notification through Blink, and Blink is really free. Okay, so you have ultrasonic sensor, LDR, RFID module, OLED screen, okay, screen servo. Build a robot, use servo motors, don't use RFID, use OLED screen, SSD 1306, it's cool. Language is needed for ESP, just like Arduino. C++. I think I think you can code using Python too. I'm not sure, I don't know. Okay, you have ultrasonic sensor, you can build a radar, you can build like distance measuring is normal. Okay, I have a cool idea. Use a big ass buzzer, or say a horn from bike or something like that. Use a relay module, use ultrasonic sensor, put it all together, make some connections, and use it to prank in college or school. Just stick it to a wall, and whenever it detects someone passing in front of it, it will buzz really loud. It should buzz really loud that person should that person must be scared. And you have LDR. Then again, smart street light, laser security system, light following robot. I don't know if it's a thing or not, but just integrate with motor driver. What else you have? Servo motor. Radar is cool. Then yeah, all these things you can build. And best, go to ChatGPT. No, don't go to ChatGPT. Brainstorm yourself. It's not good to use ChatGPT for everything, but I do. I don't know, bro. It really helps me out, ChatGPT, so I can't stop using it. Which website you have to use for ordering components? Okay, so I use Robocraze, robo.in, and sometimes take SMS. And 1 year or 2 years back, I used to order from Quartz Components. So yeah, basically these three websites: Quartz Components, Robocraze, and robo.in. Robo is faster with deliveries because I don't know how they deliver, but Robo is fast. Robocraze is understandable, but Quartz Components takes a lot of time to deliver components. They ship it from Jaipur, I guess. Yeah, Jaipur or some city sound like that. I think this is enough. I need to fix my background, bro. How to what? How to make sure you get the original? I don't think you get original components with this price. Like original Arduino costs around 2000 rupees, I guess. But we buy Arduinos for 200. So yeah, it's not really original. All these components are clone. But if it works, then what's problem? Like you can buy the same L2918 motor driver in offline market for around 200 or more than 200 rupees, and same motor driver you get for 108, 110. Last year I bought around 10 L2918 motor drivers for 98 rupees each. That was cool deal. Yeah, I do that a lot. Bro, what you making today? Maybe a robot, not sure. Maybe a RC car. Actually, this stream wasn't planned. I just came here. I thought I should stream today because streaming is good for my health. It feels cool to chat and all. You know what? I started streaming when I was feeling low. I thought I should just start streaming. Like, I should just turn on the camera and I should build. Original required. Yeah, for industrial applications, original is required, but clone works for hobbies. Yeah. Actually, they don't really use Arduino and all these things in industries. They have PLCs there. I don't think they use this. No, they don't really use Arduinos and all these cheap components. That's why I have learned basics of PLC, and again I'm going to learn some more. Not some, a lot more things. Do you guys have any idea with Arduino? As it need 12 volt, Arduino give 5 volt. Yeah, that's why I'm using external, like I'm using lithium ion batteries. Two 3.7 volt batteries in series. It gives me around 7.5 volt, 7.4, and that's enough, more than enough. Yo, do you have any idea about PLC? Cause I'm slowly getting into that. Do you use Raspberry Pi? I'm still learning. Like I have Raspberry Pi. I'm learning. I never built a like crazy project with Raspberry Pi. Once I built a yoga pose tracker using Raspberry Pi and OpenCV. So yeah, I'm learning. Just give me some time and I will build some projects using Raspberry Pi. Hello, bro. I remember you, Virendra Raj Pandey. How can I forget you? Okay. Also, what we call those robots with two legs? By something like that. Like you guys know, there are some products called Otto DIY and all those things. Some simple Arduino based robots with ultrasonic sensors as cute eyes and 4 servo motors, 2 for each leg. So I'm thinking of launching some products like that just for educational purpose, like interactive robots with some more features. Bro, that's what I observed. Ah, bipods. That's what I have observed, that engineers in India, we look for like problems and solutions, like hobbyists, not really engineers, hobbyists. We look if we are talking about projects, we go for like complex things, and we try to build something useful for society. But what I have observed, makers from other countries, they don't really think about like problem solving things. They just build anything like companion robots or like pen holder with OLED display on it, and they sell it and they make millions out of it. I know some creators, like they build some like really normal things and they sell it on their website. And here we guys are working on problem solving projects, and then uh, do entertainment. Bro, they do entertainment, but also they sell. They have their own products and all, like custom PCB kits to for kids or something like that. They have their robots, like companion robots. And bro, if your product is selling, if people are buying, there should be, you know them. Uh, Tom's and yeah, Tom's, yeah, Peter's Ripple. Then there are a lot like Alan Pan, Mark Robber is like a really big name. Alan Pan. Not really them. I know some Instagram creators. They build some simple stuff using all this ESP and all, and they sell. Expensive making something which is not in use. Yeah. But look, if you are selling something and if people are buying, there is no problem, bro. Like if it's useful or not. If it's not harming anyone and you are making money out of it, that's cool. So that's what I feel. Jerome, not really. Nah, Jerome, no. YT revenue is crazy. YT revenue is for them it's crazy. Like for some Western countries, it depends on the how many people click on your ads. Like how many what you call that, power up ads. Just say in simple words, power up ads. It depends on that. I don't think people in our country we really click on the ad and go to Amazon and we buy that thing. So it depends on that. Okay, so I was talking about like we have some really talented people here in India, like makers. I see many of you guys are really cool at all these things. I'm just a beginner, and you guys can build some crazy stuff. But what you do is we go for like building some useful, and we end up with nothing. I know some people like that. They try to build something useful. They try to get investors and all, and they just get stuck. Something happens wrong, bro. Something went wrong. Like I was also working on a project. I'm still working on that. uh like pollution monitoring, stack everything together. I'm okay. So this is Arduino. Okay, I'll tell you. This is Arduino Nano, and this is adapter for NRF24 module, and I have this receiver. I have this receiver created here, and this is L298 and motor driver. So I use this same setup in my another project. So I'm just using this again here. So what I'm saying is we have enough engineers and all. So instead of looking for like if it's hard for you to get a job or something like that, but you are skilled and you have kurapati dimag, you have crazy mind, you can just build something your own and you can sell it. That's what I'm saying. Dipesh Patil, hello. Just like today, I was in college, we were in lab, and there were some two salesmen, not really salesman, I think he was the main guy of his company, and he was in my college to sell their science kits. Not really science kits, it was IoT kit with Raspberry Pi, Arduino board, and some sensors and all. And programming very little. So yeah, he was selling Arduino based stuff for really high price. I'm not sure, but it was really high. It wasn't cheap. Like Arduino Uno based something, Arduino Uno and some sensors stacked up together in a box, in a wooden box. And I know how much it costs, and they are selling it for really big price. It's not wrong, but you can make money like that. So that's what I'm saying. I'm from Kolhapur, Maharashtra, India. मराठीत बोलायचं. If you guys know about that meme. Okay, I need to solder this again. Also, I need to find the code. I need to modify that code. There's a lot of work here. I don't know if we can build this tonight. I'll try to complete this project tonight, or we will do the remaining work in part 2. What are you making? Please tell me. Okay, this is just a simple RC car, and we will add not really laser. We will add servo motor based turret on it, and we will control it using this RC controller, and that's it. And we will add this is a plasma lighter. We will add this plasma lighter over here, over this RC car. Yeah, so that's it, nothing else. You can suggest me if you have any like crazy idea. Okay, hi bro, I am embedded software programmer. Your randomly gets in my suggestion. That's cool. I think YouTube is working. My videos are in suggestions of other people's, like random people, so that's cool. Okay, I'll solder this thing. This is our cell holder. I feel like I should not solder this. I'll instead use a separate wire, and we will add some more wires to it. Sorry, switch. We'll add a switch. What is your Tesla coil banao? ठीक है. What your project name? You better name it. I don't know. I'm just building this randomly. By the way, जय महाराष्ट्र भाऊ. मराठीत बोलायचं. Okay, so I don't know what I'm really building. I'm just building something. Basically, I'm entertaining you. What do you think about making a bionic arm using servo motors? Okay, let me see if I have that bionic arm with me right now. Here's my cupboard, and I'm checking in it. Okay, I was searching for bionic, but I found this. This is my project. I can't reveal this, but this is a 3D printed case of my project. One of my projects. And do you have a servo motors? Yes, I have a lot of servo motors, but I need to check how many of them are working. Okay, this is my project, and these are some solar panels. I can't reveal everything right now, but because we are working on research paper and all. So yeah, this is project. And so you were asking about bionic. We are working on 3D printed bionic arm for handicapped people or colleges funding. No, that's not RC plane. That's something else. I can't reveal, bro. Let me just get my paperwork done. Like, I don't think we gonna patent it, but at least we are trying for a patent. And I am these things also. You know these things. It's cool that you are in 10th class and you are showing interest here instead of PUBG and all. PUBG is cool though. Okay, I was PUBG addict back in 2019. Okay, that's cool. You should take help of ChatGPT. Yeah, I take help of ChatGPT, but it will give you code and help you. Yes, bro, I use ChatGPT, but I suggest you to not use ChatGPT every time because it will decrease your own brainstorming power. At least when you are getting started with all these things, don't use ChatGPT. I use ChatGPT, but I started using it recently, like a year ago. But before that, I used to go to GitHub and all. I used to find some 3-4 codes, then I used to integrate all those codes together. So yeah, I suggest you to not use. What's your professional? Bro, you have really good communication skill. Thank you so much. It's really cool compliment. What's your profession? Bro, I'm in third year of BTech Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering. So yeah, I'm doing engineering just like any other kid from India. Bro, isn't it cool that like we all been through same stuff? Like not really all, but I'm very interested. That's cool, bro. Danger MPS. Okay, so you were asking about Danger MPS. Okay, sorry. But again, isn't it cool that whole India can relate to each other, like all the teenagers, because we all went through the same things. Like either we do JE or NEET, then we choose engineering, and we have the same story. Like I was a really cool kid, or not really cool, but I was good at academics when I was in school. Then everything like downfall started. Right now I'm in private engineering college. Like most of the guys are in private engineering colleges. I don't want to do engineering. My parents are forcing me to do engineering. Do you have a 3D printer? No, I'm thinking of buying one. I posted on my Instagram that I want to buy a 3D printer and suggest me a budget 3D printer. I have a budget of around 20k. So I'm beginner. I don't know much about 3D printing. So I'll buy one in some days. Let me get my budget first. Electronics engineering, yes. Electronics and telecommunication engineering. Okay. This is our base is ready now. Okay, so I'll just explain the connections of this thing. This is our L2988 motor driver, which is a edge bridge motor driver, and it has 5 volt. It has 12 volt input. Also, you can provide 5 volt, but you can provide 12 volt, around like 5 to 12 volt through this port, and you can get a 5 volt output from this L2988 motor driver. It means right now what I'm doing is I will supply 8 volt to this motor driver, and this motor driver will use that 8 volt to control the motors, and also it will provide me separate 5 volt from this this port, and I'm using this 5 volt to power up my Arduino board. So it's easy. Who pay for all these? YouTube? No bro, I have some other things going on. I get paid for some other things like freelancing. Yeah, you can call it freelancing. Basically I build projects for other people and I sell them, that's it. Or I build some custom projects as per their requirement. All people on this channel can relate, but not everyone. Yeah, not everyone actually building stuff. Yeah, like very few people actually build stuff, but the story of like why I'm in engineering, because I feel like most of the guys are in engineering just because they don't know enough about engineering, and just because they heard that CSE guys get packages in crores. And yeah, that's try its test code. I have test code ready. Actually, I have built the same thing already multiple times, so I have everything ready. So there is no need to test it again and again. But I need to make sure. I need to make sure what code I have uploaded in this transmitter. Bro, which laptop use? I have Asus TUF A15, which is 2 years old and really doing good. Not really good, it's really doing great. Okay, so I'll just upload the code, like write code. So I'm expert in this. That's cool. Bro, I'm working on a robot from 8 months. Do you have a stepper motor? Yes, I have a stepper motor. I have a NEMA stepper motor. What about the community? Tonight, bro, someone messaged me. Okay, so you messaged me. I'll build it tonight after this stream, bro. I can't do this on stream because bro, which laptop you use? Bro, I said I use Asus TUF A15. Okay, I need to find the code. Wait. Okay, so as per your suggestion, I have added some keys, hotkeys for my OBS Studio. Let's see if they are working or not. Alt D. Now you should. Okay, it's working. I'm in college too. I want to start freelancing. Could you guide us? It depends on your skill, bro. Like, okay, to be honest, I have tried many things. I'm hungry for money, you can say. Not really hungry for money, but I was trying to get paid since I was in 9th or 10th. And when in lockdown, everyone was trying to be a freelancer after watching some famous YouTubers' videos. So yeah, I was one of them. I tried some like graphic designing using Canva and all those things, but I feel it's saturated now and there are enough freelancers. You better start with your like what you are best in. I want to make a humanoid robot, limited budget. I'm okay. I have a video about humanoid robot called Jarvis. I built that when I was in ninth. Yeah, when I was in ninth, I built that thing. I feel like this code is right one for receiver. And let's find transmitters code. Nice danger MPS. Yeah, if you have Instagram, message me and I will share on my stories and all. And if you are on YouTube, make sure you uh, give your channel's link, or just say hi from your channel's account. You not use Arduino Uno? No, I'm using Arduino Nano here. Okay, I feel like this code is cool. We are mapping values here from 25 and 255, and if the value is if the value is below 512, it will be minus 55. Okay, that's cool. Let's upload this code. Okay, danger MPS, about micro stepping concept in the stepper motors. Okay, my channel name is danger MPS, which I'm texting. Okay, I'll check. Wait, your danger MPS, go to channel. Okay, danger MPS has some really cool projects here. Obstacle avoidance robot. I have subscribed. You make sure you subscribe to Danger MPS. Okay, one suggestion here. So you are using L2910 motor driver. Make sure you adjust its speed. Either adjust speed or increase the distance here, like threshold distance. 90 subs. Okay, you are in 10th standard, right? So yeah, it's cool. Bro, you have enough components. Like you have VC02 AI recognition module. Looks fun. I have same. I have the same module. Then what you got here? Okay. Okay. Again, one suggestion. Don't use these batteries for this motor. Like you can use, but if there is a lot load, it will draw a lot of current. And this battery can provide only 3 point, I think 3 ampere max. So yeah, for bigger applications, don't use lithium ion batteries. Otherwise, you will fry your batteries. That's what I did last month. So yeah, it's Anubhav Bol, which is like experienced words. RFID, door security system. Then you have robotic structure working. Okay, so you are working on this humanoid. Is this your structure, or there is something different than this? Let's see what else you got here. Okay, so you play pre-fire. RC light controller. Yeah, I tried to build this when I was in 8th or 9th. Can you set your camera laptop side? Camera laptop. Wait, you guys can't see. Oh, I forgot. Make bro, I forgot. Sorry. Switch scene, bro. I forgot to switch scene. I have some hotkeys here in my OBS, and I thought I pressed the right keys. I forgot the keys, I guess. Sorry, guys. Blasting machine. Let's see the blasting machine, bro. Okay, Honestly, I have built the same thing when I was in 10th. On occasion of Diwali, I deleted that video on my YouTube channel, but I have that I have that video on my Facebook, I guess. I'll download it and I will re-upload. This thing is cool. Uh, Smart dustbin. Okay, I know that this technology audio gets a lot of views. I use this technology audio and I got around 10k views in a night. Yeah, I got 10k views in a night. Yeah, I use the BMS. Actually, what I did is I tried to use lithium ion batteries with 775 motor, and I tried to build a drill machine with it, and it was working well, but we went really rough on it. So yeah, and my batteries are not in good state. Same, literally thin copper wire. Yeah, I built that using uh, rackets. What we call that? Mosquito killing rockets. Mosquito killer racket. Okay, so I used circuit which I found in such racket, and I used that. I think I have this. Hello, bro. Thanks for subscribing. Okay, so I used a circuit. I got in such racket, and so what it does is I think it converts AC current into DC current, and so the sparks you get here, I use that spark to ignite my fireworks. So yeah, that's what I did. Okay, so you want to see the code? Someone said code. I'll switch it to the code. This is transmitters code. Okay, so this is our code. How old are you? I'm 20. I look small, but I'm 20. Sorry. Huh. Okay, so these are some libraries. I think I have explained this. Then inputs from joysticks like pin connection A0, A1. Then some variables to store. Then here's the array to store all the transmitted messages. Then pin modes. Bro, you learn machine learning? No, I'm not learning machine learning. All these things are different, bro. I used to think that I will learn this, I will learn that, I will learn all electronics, and I will learn machine learning, AI. Yes, you can, but not that advanced level. And when you are in like tier 3 college, you have to attend, you have to complete 75 and all, you have to complete assignments, so you don't really get enough time. When did you started? I had interest since I was kid, and I used to build. Wait, let me see if I'm getting uh, correct readings from. Okay, this should be 1023 minus 255. Thanks for supporting me, Tanishk Manuja. Wait, let me just adjust the delay here. I'll do this 1000 just to check if it's working or not. So yeah, if you guys are having fun, like not really fun, if you guys feel it's beneficial to have each other in contact, I will create a community. What type you have knowledge programming language? Okay, to be honest, I'm not pro at any language, but I know basics of C++, I know basics of Python, and I know the logics of codes. Actually, I have learned programming in college on YouTube, but I don't have a proper certification for any language. So I'm working on that. I'm doing courses again. Not really again, for the first time. I learned it all on YouTube, bro, on some random uh, tutorials. Hi, Melody FF. How are you? Good to see you back here. No problem. Awesome projects. Yeah, if you are in 10th and you are interested in this, it feels cool. Okay, it's minus. I think it's not working. No, it's working. Let's see. Okay, let's try this code. I'll decrease the delay to 50 and we will upload. Okay, one thing about NRF24 modules is that you can just adjust the speed and power level. So the power level is high, you can set it to low, high and max. And data transfer speed is 1 Mbps, you can set it to 250 KB and 2 MB as per my knowledge. Okay, I have uploaded the code and let's see if it's working or not. I'll just switch the scene. Okay, I have some hotkeys and shortcuts for switching scene, but I don't know what's wrong with it. It's not working. Bro, I have Gaya. I forgot my batteries somewhere. Bro. Okay, I got. I have a lot of lithium batteries that if all of them together explode, then I will die here. I feel like that. I need to charge them around gain 2 subscriber today. Okay, I know how it feels when you are just starting up. It feels really cool to gain subscribers. Like I have seen bro gaining my I still feel happy that my 1 subscriber increased. Okay, here's my cell holder. Make sure danger MPS, make sure you learn basics. Finally getting some good electrical. Bro, that's what goes wrong with my Instagram algorithm. Like I get memes all the time and I spend whole day watching memes, sending memes to this Samarth in the chat, and I send memes to friends and I waste all my day procrastinating. But when I see someone like me who's building and all, then I feel like bro, I have the potential, I should work on it. So yeah, it really matters. And I have no one to control me here. Like back in my home. Like it's on me if I want to do. You don't react to reels. Okay, so my friend Samarth is in the chat and he's complaining that I don't react on his reels. Bro, if it's funny, it's funny. I don't need to react. Okay, where are you from? I am from Kolhapur, Maharashtra. Let's see if this thing is working or not. I think we should upload receiver's code again. Okay, everything is cool. Like all, we have supplied power. We just need to fix the code. So I plugged in my receiver. Go to school at 5 a.m. and come back at 5 p.m. So I don't have. Oh, so you are in 10th standard, so I can understand. Same happened with me. And I was in 10th in lockdowns period. Can you share your phone number? You can message me on my Instagram and we will discuss that if you want. Okay, RC transmitter. Let's check the receiver side. This is our receiver. Arduino Nano. Bro, I go to school. Okay, I can understand, bro. I spent my whole lockdown studying for 10th board and cheap servos are scam. For 2 servos, MG996 are rated for 11 kg and 35. Both are giving torque. Can be. Keep the passion. Yeah, you don't need to stop it completely, but don't lose the like passion. Okay, I have heard this from a IITian. I have watched a video like a year ago. He said that he was really passionate about gaming and all, but he stopped all gaming and all his hobbies for 2 years while preparing for IIT, and he got into IIT. Now he has gaming laptop and all, but he has no passion or the same interest he had. Uh, so yeah, that's what he said, that he lost all the interest. Not all, but he said it doesn't feel like playing games like I used to play. So make sure you keep doing something. Starting receiver. Okay, receiver is starting. There might be some problem with nodes. Node 1, node 2 node. And what's up with the transmitter? Okay, address are same. When I was in 10th, my parents made me study whole lockdown. Like, it wasn't wrong, but still, bro, I spent not really full, but half of my lockdown studying for 10th board. Okay, it's not working. Let's see another code. I have some. I have a lot of codes for RC receiver. Let's check this one. Okay, this is not the one. Starting the receiver. Let's try again. Okay, so it was just loose connection. Now we will check this. Okay, we are receiving, we are reading the values. It should work now. What went wrong again? No, I have to earn myself. It's cool that you are thinking about earning by yourself, but right now just focus on your studies, and once you pass 10th, first of all fix your trajectory, bro. Like, what do you want to do? If you want to prepare for some competitive exam, if you want to do something else, just fix your trajectory first. Take your time, you don't need to rush, and then slowly think about earning. First build some skills. Like, okay, I have no other skill than building all these things, and I'm not really good at this also, but I make little money with this. Like, I sell projects and all. So yeah, just improve your skills, you have enough time. IIT JEE. Okay, then prepare for IIT JEE. That's what I did. Okay, something went wrong here. Let's see what went wrong. INT. Let me check the pins first. 6 and 7 are for joysticks. No. Okay, if you're gonna prepare for IIT JEE, then you better focus on that. Like, if you really want to do IIT JEE. D5 and D6. D5 and D6 and okay, this is not the code. Bro, I need to save these codes separately. Let me find the right code. NR up. I'm confused with my own code. Bro, just message me on my Instagram, bro, or share your Insta ID. Check my description of this live, or you can just search my name on Instagram, like Ideas by Suyash, just like my channel's name. Okay, EN34. Okay, this is also not the right one. Let's check which one is the right code. Obstacle avoiding, pill dispenser. Okay, I will just change the pins here. Okay, so what I did is I used analog pins as digital. I used analog pins to control L298 motor driver. Basically, what I did is I used A0 here, A0, A1, A2, and A3, and D5 and D6 to control the speed of motors. D5 and D6. That's it. Share your Insta ID. Okay, I think I have shared it. Okay, it's 12:30 a.m. and still we have 11 people watching. That's cool. Yeah, make sure you complete your homework, focus on your academics, then slowly get into robotics and all. Just don't lose the interest you have right now because I have seen it happens. It should work now. I feel like that. I'm receiving all the values. Yeah, I'm receiving. But again, it should work, bro. Let's check the pin connections again. I'll do homework for some hours. Okay. Math is my enemy. A0, A1, A2, A3. A0, A1, A2, A3. And 5 and 6. 5 and 6. Okay, pin connection is good. Then what's the problem? Let's try uploading again. Yo, if you have any idea what's wrong with my project or code, I don't think anything wrong with this code because I have used this many times. Okay, so I'll show you what's going on here. This is our car. This is our controller, and I'm just trying to control it. I have connected. It's receiving the values, but I'm not getting the output right. Like I can't move this robot. Let's see if we are getting something as output. Like I'll just check the voltage here. Why I want to start embedded systems, how and where? Okay, to be honest, I have no idea about I don't have enough idea about embedded and all, but I should start. I feel, yeah, C is necessary, I feel, for embedded. I think there is separate embedded C. A0. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'll just check the voltage levels. A0. Okay guys, it's not working. Something is wrong with this Arduino, like not really Arduino. Let's see if it's really receiving. Okay, I'll check again. Okay, so the problem is with our pin connection, or then how are you building? Okay, I know C++, bro, but embedded C is different thing. I know C++, and I don't think this is really embedded. D9, 10. Okay, we are receiving all the values. Our code is correct. A0 to pin connections are also correct. Let's try uploading again. Okay, it's really pissed me off that when you are building and at the end you are not getting what you are supposed to get. Okay, I forgot to switch off my soldering iron. Classic Arduino, no problem. Okay, I have a habit of wearing this headphone for no reason. Like I'm not listening anything, but still. Okay, let's see. I'll upload this code, and what it's supposed to do is it should give output at A0 and A1, A2, A3, and it will control the motor driver. Yo, I forgot to tell you that make sure you hit the like and subscribe button. And I'm not only a streamer, I build these things for fun. I make videos also. जिंदा जला दूंगा किसको भाई? सुयश भाई क्या बोलती पब्लिक? कुछ नहीं ब्रो, we just chilling on the stream. We are trying to build something cool. Let's see if we can. Okay, let's upload again. पहचाना मेरे को यश, तेरे को पहचाना मैंने. By the way, Yash is in, I think, mechatronics. Am I right, Yash? Are you in mechatronics, right? Or robotics? You can ask him questions. Ah, it's really hot in here. Bro, it really sucks. Let's upload the code again. Is my bro, something went horribly wrong here. While I was closing all these tabs, I mistakenly clicked on my YouTube. Bro, bring that GTA RP streams back. Bro, I do GTA streams on my second channel. I have another channel where I stream. Yesterday we did a GTA stream. We were playing GTA. Mechatronics build. Figure out why I'm in mechatronics. Guys, make sure you figure out why Yash is in mechatronics. Okay, so I do GTRP streams on my second channel. It's just fun streams, not really that serious. I just do this for fun. Okay, what we are doing is we are uploading this code for receiver. I have this receiver 2.0 code. I'll upload this. We'll see if it works or not. Okay, I found the right code. Let me show you. I need to spend more money on microcontrollers. Like these Arduino Nanos from like cheap websites. Not really cheap websites, but cheap Arduino Nanos are really pain in my ass. Arduino has ISP at Mega 328 old booter. Let's see. I'll just disconnect this. Okay, now we are getting the values. I'll upload the code again, and I feel this thing should work now. Bro, again code, it's stuck here. Okay, the problem was I was receiving the values and everything. I was receiving all data, messages, but I couldn't get any output from the digital pins. I checked it using my multimeter, as you guys know. Somebody guide me here, like how to. I'll close the Arduino software and I'll reopen it. Okay, here we have our code connecting to Arduino Nano. Ask what is problem. Okay, so there is problem with Arduino. Okay, so we have selected serial port and everything. I'm trying to open serial monitor. I'll go to tools. We'll select 328p. It works every time, but many times I face a lot of problems with this at my Arduino ISP. Let's try uploading. The problem is communication between our microcontroller and computer. Okay, I'll compile again and I will upload again. And it wastes a lot of time, bro, every time. Okay, it's busy connecting to Arduino Nano and COM7. Let's see if it works. What if we just remove this NRF24 module? Okay, I removed the NRF24 module and we'll upload again. I'll disconnect this thing. I'll turn off my... Okay, what I did is I disconnected everything. I turned off my transmitter and I reconnected it, and now the serial monitor is working. And now I will upload the code again. Done uploading. It says done uploading, but I don't believe. Okay. I feel it should work now. Let's see if it works or not. Okay, I feel like it will work now this time. Let's see. I'm not sure, but still. Okay, guys, as you can see, still there are some errors here. Arduino ID is slow but good, yeah. There are some errors, but still we'll check. These batteries are full though. There might be some problem with transmitter. Okay, here is a tip. Whatever happens with your Arduino or any microcontroller based projects, you just have to press the reset button. And it's not working. Let's see what happened here. Let's turn off the transmitter and turn on again. Okay, as you can see, this is our transmitter. We are receiving the values. It's working. Okay, now I need my glue gun here, and we will just glue it all together. Then we will use servo motors. Okay, I'll explain this code in a brief. Check this out. So this is really cool code. I forgot about this. It's RC receiver 2.2. I got this code like I think I have created this code. I programmed it. I used ChatGPT obviously, but you can't really use ChatGPT to code everything. So what I did is just I used analog pins as digital pins here to control the motors. Then this is I used a LED buzzer, which is not required here. Then 3 servo motors XYZ. And again the similar process, like you store the received values. Then there is array to store received messages. Then this address. Then pin mode, like if the pin is input or output. And that's it. And there are some what we call this if else functions. If value is this, it should do this. That's it. The code is very simple, and this is to control the servo motors. So yeah, what I'm going to do is I will take my glue gun, we'll glue it all together. Then this is our RC car, yeah, RC car, and then we will use servo motors with it. Okay, so let me get my glue gun first. Bro, I have a whole stack of components and a lot of boxes. It's hard to find the right one. I finally found this. Till then, we will add servo motors to this receiver. And check this out. I have this many glue sticks. It's a flex for hobbyists. I got one glue stick for around 5 rupees. I know a wholesale dealer. Damn. We have 6 people still. It's almost 1 a.m. and we still have 6 guys watching. Okay. So, yeah, it's hitting. This is our servo motor, and this is second servo motor. And I will just my classic thing, I just cut it off like this. Then I will connect this servo motors. Bro, today I wasn't planning anything for this. Like, I had no plan. It's not really planned. I had no plan for this stream or anything. I just showed up here. I'm just streaming here, and it's cool that it's been almost how much time? It's been almost 2 hours and 15 minutes, and I'm still streaming. You guys are watching. Thanks for that. Okay, I need to use wire stripper. I have one, but I don't use it. It's cool that I come here with no plan and we end up building something, or at least we start working on something cool without any plan. So I was talking about that chat controlled robot. I will create a video. I will build that robot. I will make a video on it. Then I will announce when we're gonna do that stream where you guys can control my robot through chats. I have a Python script for it, and yes, we will do that this Saturday or next Saturday, I guess. I don't know. Okay, this is first servo motor. Then I have another servo motor. This is second servo motor, and I'll use this. Guys, suggest me some cool robot ideas using AI. Like, okay, I have idea. I will create a voice assistant, or say AI assistant using some random GitHub codes or something like that. That I'll create. Then after that, I will use ESP32 to communicate with that AI. And yeah, I will order that AI to do something, and that AI assistant will control my robot. You heard it right. Okay, I think we better use soldering iron instead of this glue gun. Okay, I think I should be quick with this. Yo, I need I need to buy a new glue gun. Okay, so we were talking about that community. So I'll create a community on Discord and Telegram, or say Discord or Instagram. Suggest me, please suggest me a name to that community where we gonna discuss technology, robotics, and hobbies and all. Suggest me a cool name, and we will create a community where we'll discuss and share ideas and knowledge. Okay, it's hard to stick this. You guys have anyone of you guys have a girlfriend? Because I have some crazy ideas, like cute ideas, to li- uh, like to build a robot, cute robot or something like that, just to give to your loved ones. Discord and Insta. Okay, I will create. First, I will go with Instagram. Then I'll share Discord details there. Okay, Divine Science. Is this your channel? Like Divine Science? I'll check this. Channel trailer. Okay, basic electronics full course. Okay, I'll check your channel because it's my first time on your channel too. Stream चालू आहे थोडा वेळ. Bro, you should continue this. Okay, you're I feel like you are really good at this. I already have a community. I'm there, and Virendraj Pandey. Yeah, yeah. I will join. No problem. Just share me on Instagram or whatever, wherever. I'll join. And you should continue your YouTube because I feel like you are good at explaining these things. Like you are getting deeper and deeper. So many of us need this. Hey yo, make sure you subscribe to Divine Science. Okay, I feel like Divine Science, you better continue. I have funny sci-fi video that I have hidden. Wait, let me make it visible. Yeah, please. Okay, I will add a switch here. Uh, let me know in the chat when you make that video public. Okay, I forgot the controls. It means that we need to adjust the code again. Okay, you have made the video public again. Okay, let's see. Okay, guys, we are going to watch video of Divine Science, the best homemade alarm machine. Damn, it's really big. Okay, we will watch. Okay, this is something unique. Okay. The intro is cool, bro. Okay. The BGM and intro, it's really cool. You just have to improve your little bit. Camera quality. Not really camera quality, lighting, I guess. It's giving me electro boom vibes. Not really electro boom, but someone like him. Genius. Okay. I should not.
Hey son, wake up. Wake up. You are 6 hours late for school.
Bro, you don't need to do all this like mask and all. You can just be yourself.
Wake.
Okay, he went to school. So you are
There you are.
doing like sketch videos.
Now carry on. And don't be late tomorrow, or else you will be kicked out of the school.
Bro, remove the mask first. Okay, who's this guy first? Who's this guy? A fan of okay, just like yo. I see what you did here. Like Dupinsmur's. I have Dupinsmur's photo right here in front of me. I'm really big fan of Dr. Doop. I think if you like, I see it's good, but you should continue this, like such videos. All these guys, Michael Reeves do he does that. Also, many YouTubers. Michael Reeves is the best example. Then Alan Pan, yeah, Alan Pan also. Okay, so he sleeps again. To be honest, the background music and the way you integrated background music with the scenes and audio, it sounds cool. Right now, I'm wearing headphones and I'm telling you, uh, the choice of background and background music and integration, that's cool. Oh, you did double. Okay, the background gives like a creepy mad inventor vibes. He's still sleeping. You can scare anyone. It was jump scare. How many views you got for this video? 197. Let's read some comments. This really made my day. Can't stop locking. Great job. Sing work, sir. I don't need you. Anti-sleep auto awakenator. This name is cool. Auto awakenator. Wait. Okay. Background is cool though, like Shaktiman vibes. Shaktiman or say creepy inventor from Shaktiman. Okay, this video is horror. It's not really funny. This video is horror. Whole lot of RGBs. Okay. Okay, so here are some suggestions. You have good storytelling, but it took so long, like 7 minutes video, and you built your thing, your anti-sleep auto awakenator in last 1 minute. So you should do that after 2 minutes max. That's what I feel like. Go with your story, then give a little brief, like give a little idea what you're gonna do, and then build your craft, and then present it again with that story. That's what I have observed in those big creators videos, and I want you to continue such videos, just with some improvements. Okay, this is our servo turret. To pour water, yeah, I see. You could use something to spray, uh like DC motor. It was cool though, like a whole bucket. Okay, I'm trying to build this turret using servo motors, and we will add plasma lighter on it, and we need a relay. Let me see if I have a relay here. Okay, but uh, let me just see. It's already 1 a.m. Let me see. It's been around more than 3 hours. Not really 3 hours. Yeah, 2.5 hours since I started streaming. I feel like that's enough for today. We'll continue this project. Either I will continue this project in tomorrow's stream, or I will finish this project whenever I get time, and I will present it in a video format. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. Or should I just finish this today? I don't know, bro. I have to attend lectures tomorrow. And this is where is our plasma lighter? Where is our plasma lighter? Okay, this is our plasma lighter. I'll stick this here. Should we build a flamethrower, or should we build a just should we just add a plasma lighter here? Wait, let me find my screwdriver first. Try CNC small machine only PCB. Okay. Damn. It's 1 a.m. and we have 9 people watching us building some goopy stuff. That's cool. So today's stream was really cool. Like it's a good time stream. Like I'm just having fun here and you guys are watching me. Yo bro, Divine Science, make sure you continue making videos again. At least try explaining. Okay, now somebody please help me. I think I should use my old tactics here. Adding like I add this sunboard everywhere. Okay, so I'll use this sunboard. No, I will not use this. I will use a different one, a sturdy one. Guys, make sure you give me some ideas for my next stream. Like I'm thinking to build something. STM32 board. I have STM32, but right now I'm using Arduino Nano. I think you should rest for now. College and work life. Yeah. Right now we are just the semester has started recently, like a week ago. So it's chill for now, but after around 10-15 days, it's gonna get hectic, really hectic. Like 9 to 4 college, then assignments and all. Also, we have unit tests, presentations. It's a lot, bro. It sucks, but at the same time, it's fun though. I'll stream for like 10 minutes max or 5 minutes. 5 minutes. We'll do whatever we can do in this 5 minutes and we all should sleep now. Oh, it's good then. STM32. No, STM32 is good, bro. That's what I feel. STM32 is all microcontrollers from STM are faster than Arduino. And I guess you can use STM32 in industries, but you can't use Arduino in industry. I was searching for if I was searching if I can use any of these skills in industry. So I found out that you it really helps all these things to understand the logic, but you can't really use directly a Arduino Uno or ESP in industrial applications. You need some high voltage things. So I found out about PLC and all. So I started learning about it. Now I know basics of PLC. I know PLC programming little bit. I know connections and all. Now I need some internships here. Internships in PLC. Okay. I'm starting now. Can I get what is this project? Okay, so I'll tell you. I have this RC controller. I made this 5-6 months back, and I have this. We just built this RC car, and you know about turrets. So I'm building one, and this is a plasma lighter. This is a plasma lighter. So I'll just connect this plasma lighter here. We will add this normal lighter on that, and we will control this thing just like this, and we will add some more buttons to it. So it will be like a RC car which can throw fire flames. Yeah, heard it right. Flamethrower RC car. It's just fun project, nothing else. Just for time pass, I guess. So we are working on that. Okay, this is the base of our turret. It's not really sturdy, but I feel like enough. That's enough. Hmm. Plasma lighter, yeah. And you know what? This lighter is very cheap. I got this for around 160 rupees, I guess, which is like crazy cheap. 160 rupees, which is, if you convert it in dollar, it's only $2. Let's see if we can move this properly. Yeah, I can move this. Bro, I love to stream, bro. I can't wait. Yeah, it's gonna be fun. Maybe I'll change this chassis. I'll change this body. Maybe. I don't know. after testing for some time, but it's gonna be fun. Okay, I'll add like this, and we will be able to move this up and down, left and right, and we will add a lighter. mm, where is that lighter? This lighter. I think I should just cut it off a little bit. By the way, Anonymous, where are you from? Anonymous. That's really cool name, bro. But I just use cutter instead of using scissor. No, scissor is better. Damn, you are from Pakistan. Shout out to you. Okay, I guess this is enough. More than enough. And we'll attach this right here. Lighter here. Okay, so lighter will be here. I'll add another servo motor right here just to pull this trigger. I'll explain that in a next stream or a video. By the way, guys, that is it for today. We still have 6 people watching us. That's really cool, but it's time to say goodbye for now because I have to wake up tomorrow for my college. As I'm in BTech, I'm doing BTech engineering in electronics and telecommunication, and 75% attendance is must. Otherwise, they send a letter to my parents. That's really fucked up. So that's it for today. Bye bye. We will continue this project tomorrow. If you can see, it's almost ready. We just have to attach the plasma lighter and normal lighter. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe button so you'll get some updates about these projects. Samarth, you are still alive. Make sure you attend college tomorrow. Okay, bye bye.